But the truth is, enterprise and small business and mid-market are all different beasts. Hey everybody, we've talked about a lot of different things with strategy and people and pieces, and today I want to kind of tie a lot of that back together. And so one of the concepts we talked about before was when you're working with someone in marketing, right, and they're doing email for you, and you decide, hey, we really got to start doing this other thing, SEO, PPC, video. And we kind of think that this person, we could train them on it, or they could learn it, or they could go from doing PPC to doing SEO, or vice versa, or marketing ops, or email. And I found that when we do that, people usually let us down our expectations because they're not experts in that. So what I want to talk to you today about is how we do that with our broader strategy. And this is why focusing needs to be our focus. Now, when you have margin and you're in these large organizations and you can do acquisitions, you need to get good at integration. But if you're in a mid-market organization, a growing firm who's trying to get where you're at to the next level, one of the temptations is taking your marketing team and saying, we're going to do small business, mid-market, and enterprise. But the truth is, enterprise and small business and mid-market are all different beasts, right? You have self-onboarding, you have demos, and then you've got enterprise, which is like procurement, sourcing, RFPs. You have this whole 3 different worlds. And so if you're listening today and you're in an organization where you have ideal customer personas across both small business, mid-market, and enterprise, what I highly encourage you to do is say, what's the one we're going to narrow in and focus on? And then once you get your margin right, you have your utilization right, you have your effective efficiency and your return on ad spend right, you're hitting your LTV CAC, and you have additional capital, then I'd encourage you to build separate teams. So you have a small business team, a mid-market team, an enterprise team. But when you start separating and focusing, I can almost guarantee you're going to get better return on your capital, your time, and your resources. So definitely something to think about on focusing on our focus. Thanks. Have a great day.